All right. Now we're going to talk about why would you upgrade from HubSpot Service Professional to Enterprise, right? So generally people that are using Professional, they're using help desk, ticketing, knowledge base is a big one. Servers is probably the biggest one that I come across with people that we work with. And then customer portal also being, I don't know why it sits, maybe that needs to move elsewhere, but that sits there. So customer agent.
You mean why does customer portal sit there?
Sorry, not customer portal, customer agent.
Customer agent, yeah.
The customer portal is inside Service Pro. And so, Craig, why would people want to upgrade to Enterprise?
Yeah, see, it's a good question because I think Service Pro is like underappreciated. I think it's so good. The combination of help desk and ticketing, like the help desk, I think is really good now. And ticketing, of course, has been there for a while. Knowledge base and surveys. And then you add on customer agent. I just think it's a very strong offering. I think there's actually HubSpot partners that could just go to market saying, hey, we just do Service Hub. In fact, we just do customer agent. I think it's really good. Okay, so why would you go to Enterprise when there's so much in Pro? Well, one of the things that you get is conditional SLAs. Like what are SLAs? They're kind of agreements where you measure response times, things like that. Now, they've always been there. Inboxes had them even before Help Desk. But with Help Desk, they've kind of improved the SLA functionality. But in Pro, you can only really have SLAs that can be tailored based on one property. What we're seeing with our clients is like we want conditional SLAs based on a bunch of properties. For example, this particular company has their own SLAs, and within this particular company, they might have high or low priority tickets, or they might have a VIP ticket or something like that. So they want this granularity. And you can't do that in Pro. You need to go to Enterprise for those conditional SLAs. And so I think that's a compelling option. Conditional SLAs, I think we're increasingly seeing it. How do you get around it? Well, what do they do currently on Pro? They stay on Pro and they create separate ticket pipelines, company-specific pipelines just to manage that. Whereas I'm just like, oh, that's pretty cumbersome. So yeah, conditional SLAs is the way.